What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're creating a cartoon illustration of Santa Claus. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page with the bottom edge of the nose. We're going to start over on the left side. Let's draw a curve. We're going to come down, round out the nose, and then bend that up towards the right. And leave a gap and draw a short curve across the top for the bridge of the nose, going up and then down. Now on either side of the nose we're going to draw a curve for the cheeks. We're going to go up and then bend that down. Let's line that up on the right side. Now let's tuck the eyes in underneath the cheeks. On the left side, we draw a circle going around towards the top of the eye, come down and then tuck that in, and then do the same thing on the right. Along the top of each eye, draw a small circle for a highlight. And then we'll fill the bottom of the eyes in black. Now we're going to tuck the mustache in underneath the nose. On the left side, let's step down, curve this down, and then up toward the side. And do the same thing on the right, coming down below the eye. From the tip, it's going to come down and just bend that up towards the middle, just underneath the nose. Come back down, and then up towards the right side. Let's add in the mouth, starting on the left, curve this down, and then up. Let's add a curve going up and down for the tongue. And then we'll fill the top area in black. Now from the bottom of the mouth, let's step down and add a curve for the lower lip. Now let's draw the outside of the beard. From the tip of the mustache, we're going to step down, curve the beard going out. I'm just going to bend that in. And I'll just bend that back down towards the tip. Let's go all the way over towards the right side. I'm just going to bend the beard going out, come down, and then across towards the bottom tip. Now above the eyes, we're going to add in the eyebrow. Let's start on the left, bend this up and in, and then we'll line that up on the right side. Let's round out the ends of the eyebrows, almost like drawing a bracket. And we'll close off the top with a curve. Now let's go back to the top of the mustache. We're going to curve the hat going up and in underneath the eyebrows. Go up and in on either side. And then in between the eyebrows, we're going to bend this up and then down. Now let's wrap the hat around the head. We're going to start from the left side of the beard. We're going to add a fold. We're going to go up and then in, sort of aiming towards the eyebrows. And then we'll add that fold. Let's step back down, go across and up, and around at the top, come across towards the right, come down, just tuck that in. Now we want to flop the hat over on the right side. So let's start on the left, bend this up, go across and then in towards the middle, and then we'll add a fold, going across, and we'll bend that down. Let's step back, add a fold, going out. Just going to bring that down towards the side of the head. Now we want to draw a circle. We're just going to tuck this in towards the side of the head, going all the way around and then in. Let's add a fold, going up and in. And then from the top of the ball, just going to tuck this in behind the side of the hat. Now we want to come all the way down towards the bottom in the middle and tuck that buckle in behind the beard. Let's start with a straight line. Just going to go out towards the left, continue that out towards the right, come straight down the sides of the buckle, and we'll close off the bottom. Let's trace the buckle along the inside. Now we want to draw a character with the arms pulled in with the hands around the belt. So along the outside of the buckle, we step out. I'm just going to draw a bracket along the inside of the hands. From the top corner of the buckle, let's step down, bend the belt going out and up in behind that bracket. From the bottom, we'll step up, go out, and then up. Now let's go back underneath the buckle. We're going to curl the hand coming down around that bracket and then up on either side. Let's step down, curl the hand going all the way around the wrist, go up, go in behind the beard, and just continue that curve coming down in behind the buckle. Let's add a thick cuff around the wrist. We're going to step up along the side of the beard, go around the wrist, come down, and then just tuck that in towards the side. Now we're going to go to the side of the beard. Let's bend the arms, going out, come down, and then in behind the cuff. And then from the inside of the cuff, we're going to add a fold across the elbow, going up and then out. Now let's go underneath the cuff. Just going to bend the body, going out and then down towards the bottom. And we'll connect the ends with a curve, coming down the middle, and then back up. Let's add a thick trim across the bottom, going in between the hands. And then from the buckle, draw 2 straight lines coming down. Now, in the center, let's draw a straight line coming down in between the legs towards the bottom. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Let's start with the left side. Come down, and then bend that up towards the side. Let's go back to the left side and round out the top of the foot. We're going to go up. Let's bend this down, aiming towards the heel, giving a gap in the inside. Let's bend the legs, coming back down and then in towards the feet. And then we'll add a trim for the boot across the top, going down and then up toward that center line. Let's add a thick sole on the bottom of the feet. So we're going to take this curve, step up and trace that across on both sides. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Santa Claus. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching and I'll see you again soon.